Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Claudia C.
Mia.
Today we're gonna do what everybody's been asking for.
Wait, they've been asking for this?
Yeah. We're collabing with the one and only, the most beautiful mukbanger, the spicy queen, Angelina Spicy. Right?
Yeah.
We're doing what she likes and what I like. She loves sushi, I love Chinese. Diva loves it all.
I love
And I like sushi if it's cut. But anyway, this is a collab that it's been in the works and we're finally here. Thank you, Angelina, so much for giving me this opportunity to collab with you. You're awesome. You're beautiful. You're a smart woman. I love you, girl. You know I do. Go ahead. I think she's doing it with Pac. So
okay.
Then we're gonna answer some questions and all that, but we're gonna get to eating. I'm gonna talk a little bit about there's my cat.
Smokey,
Smokey's in love. Talk a little bit about Angelina, and then we'll get into the things. This is General Tso's chicken, lemon chicken, fried rice, crab ragout, egg roast, and then this is the firecracker roll.
Yeah.
I don't know what this. Well, I don't even know what they're called.
Sushi.
Well, I know it's sushi, but that's something. It's cooked. That's all I know. Oh man.
What?
Audio.
That's fine.
No, because what if they can't hear us?
Well then, do you want me to plug it in real quick?
It's in the drawer. You want to do it real quick? Can you get up? Sorry, she's just gonna plug my mic real quick. You can leave it up there, but just plug it in. It's in that first drawer. Sorry, guys. See it?
Yeah.
Plug it in on. It's on this side right there. Right there on this side. Go in and make sure you didn't move it. Look in the back of you. That's good.
Yeah. There. You could just edit that out then.
Yeah, I don't matter. It's alright. We're good. Oh, and we also have egg drop soup with crispy noodles. So
I'm hungry, so we're gonna probably end up eating this all.
do you mind if I put lemon sauce and all of that, or you want some without it?
No, go ahead.
Oh, this is not even the lemon sauce.
They pour egg drop soup all over it.
I was gonna pour egg drop soup all over it. This is lemon sauce. You want some on that too?
Mm. You got a lot.
Well, I bought it at another store because I don't really like the one from this store, but I like the food from this store. But oh well. Restaurant. I'm sorry. Yeah. You know you got a Chinese addiction when you have one of these at home, right? I went from a small bottle and I said, let me get a bigger bottle.
Wait, that's the second one you have.
I think I'm the third one. Because I had two small ones and then I got this one or something like that. But anyway, Angelina and I have been friends for a long time. Well, over a year, that's for sure. We're very, very close. We consider ourselves more than just friends. We consider ourselves mujeres. That's what we call each other, like sisters. I love her. I love her girls. I love Dirk. He's an awesome man. I got to see Dirk. I get to see all the behind the scenes. You gonna put some on tonight?
No.
I get to see all the behind the scenes. She's got 4 girls, gorgeous, beautiful girls. We've both been talking about this, and it was me that I would, kind of push away a little. And I guess I was a little scared because she's well known, she's well loved and stuff, and I was like, oh my God, it's just I don't know. I was just pushing it off a little, but we're here now, doing our thing, and just eating.
Tell me when you want me to get the questions from the phone. Okay. Oh, and we have a little watcher. Smokey.
Smokey's on the side. Stalking us. I don't know how to eat with chopsticks. At all. I'm not eating that with chopsticks either. I don't know. My hands. You want some of this?
Not tomato.
This is lemon chicken. A lot of y'all don't know what lemon chicken is. Oh shit. It's just like pieces of breast, breaded, and then it's got a lemon sauce on top. Really, really good. From the video. I'm hoping to go visit Angelina this summer. I'm just hoping to come over here too soon, I hope. I'm hoping she will come in Fiesta. She would love it. So much food everywhere. I'm sure she would love the heck out of it. And of course, there's a lot of liquor everywhere too. We should take an Uber. This is the egg drop soup. I've never really seen anyone do the egg drop soup. And it's got crispy noodles in it. It's good.
Yeah, closer.
Yeah, closer. Don't think that we don't like to feed him table food. He don't like it. The only thing he'll eat is a ham.
My other cat likes it. She likes a lot of table food, but he doesn't. He just smells it.
He's just here because Diva's here and that's his mama. So he's going to sit there until she's done. Right?
Where's the... That was funny because what's it called? I don't know if Steve wants me to say it, but when he got chased by a little playful dog.
Well, now we know he's playful.
Because he's a pit bull. You know, he's a big dog. But the neighbor had said he's really playful, so he just wants to play. That's what he does.
Well, I just talked to Juan right now, and he said, "Oh, don't worry, he's real playful." I'm like, ugh. No, he's not a pit bull. He's a boxer.
Oh, he's a boxer. And we were over here thinking that it's a aggressive dog.
I'm sure many of y'all know who Angelina is, of course. Everybody has to know who Angelina is. I mod for her, she mods for me. We're always on DM. We got each other's back. We've been through a lot. But we've never left each other's side. We're always there for each other, and we created that bond. It's like a beautiful friendship bond that I don't have it anymore from anybody from high school. I had it with my friend Diana. She was my best friend then. I'm not saying she's not my friend now. I mean, I still talk to her on Facebook and I'm invited to my parties and stuff. But it's not really like the way it used to be. And now I feel like Angelina and I have that bond, and I really truly appreciate her. She's a good person. I don't know, like, because I know I have some of my friends that are from the gamer community, so if y'all don't know who she is, I'm gonna link her channel down below so y'all can go and check her out. If y'all watch me and y'all think I'm okay, she's the best. She's the best. She's a spicy queen. I call her kids my babies. She calls my kids her babies. Just throughout the months, like I said, it's been over a year, and we just get closer and closer. David's fighting? I'm not even telling her anything?
I thought you were going for mine.
Oh, crap. You want to start with sushi too?
Mm-hmm. Geez, Smokey, you just sitting there. What?
Don't cover.
Can you bring that over here, please?
Alright, toy stuff.
Can you bring that over here?
Can I bring what? Oh, this?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna get sushi, but I'm gonna have to get it in my hands because I don't know how to use chopsticks. So don't come at me, people. I'm letting y'all know. I do not know how to use them. I think I'll look more. Is that for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
I'll look more like an idiot trying to use them because I'm not good at them. So. Oh, gross. This is a firecracker roll or something like that, right?
Mm-hmm. I know, I didn't go with you to get it.
But it said it on the paper thingy.
Oh, I didn't read the paper. I just opened it.
I think it's got a shrimp in there. Something like that. I had the whole damn tail. I was gonna swallow.
You know what we should do?
Is there hot Cheetos on top?
No.
Mm-hmm. Yes. What is it?
It's not hot Cheetos, huh? Oh, the questions.
You want to give me mine first and then I'll do yours?
Mm.
Oh, how do you want to do it?
Do you want to go first?
Okay, I can go first. Like me answer?
No, you hold the phone and say first. Mother to daughter.
Mm. Okay. Mother to daughter. Mom's favorite color?
Black.
Yeah. Mom's shoe size?
You're 7.5, I think.
Mm-hmm. Right. Mom is how many years old?
Very old.
Oh! Let's keep it at that. Mom was how old when she got married?
Hmm?
How, you don't know, how old was I when I got married?
27? No? I wasn't that long.
I don't even remember how old I was. Okay. She don't want to say because then y'all gonna figure out. I was in my 20s though. Mom's favorite song?
Drunk Girl.
I think everybody knows that one. Mom was born in which city state?
San Antonio, Texas.
Mm-hmm. Mom has how many siblings?
Oh, you had a lot. But I want to say 9?
It's 9 with me, so it's...
Yeah.
It's 8.
8.
Mm-hmm. Mom's favorite dessert is?
Oh, God, I don't know.
Oh, my God.
Wait.
Everyone should know that one.
Your favorite dessert is, the brownie with the ice cream top?
No.
What?
Give it another guess.
Is it sour? Is it sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Is it frozen?
No. It's in the refrigerator.
Oh, cream cheese. I mean, what is it called? That thing, the thing that you had ate from that one place.
Cheesecake.
Yeah, cheesecake. There you go.
Mom is how tall? Freaking diva, I told ya. She needs to come for me every damn video.
You're like 5'2". Would you say you're 5'2", but you were like 5'1.5"?
No, I'm 5'2.5".
No.
I thought I was 5'3".
No, wasn't it? You thought you were 5'2", but you were
I
like
thought I was
5'1".
5'3".
Oh, well, you're 5'2".
Mom's favorite Sonic drink?
So, like a slushie? Or?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Oh, the diet. Because that's a drink.
Yeah. The Coke Zero.
Mm-hmm.
Mom was how old when she had her ears pierced?
It was like 2 years ago.
2 years ago? So I was old.
You wrote stuff.
So she knows me. I don't think I know her though, but and she's my daughter, but and she's very to herself.
I like telling people what I wrote. Daughter to mother. Daughter's favorite color is
Purple.
Daughter's favorite meal that mom cooks is
She loves everything, but I want to say the favorite, most favorite is the cucarachas.
wow, I forgot what it was called, but it was the red tortilla. And has cheese inside.
Enchiladas.
Enchiladas, right? Daughter's favorite book is
The Descendants.
well, which Descendants?
Chinga su puta madre.
I have 2 books that are Descendants.
The purple one.
The black one. Daughter's favorite movie is my movie.
Your favorite movie?
Mother Benji.
He's very. Shit, I don't. You like scary movies? I don't know. I give up.
It's the Nun.
The Nun.
Daughter's favorite song is
Something from the Slipknot or Slimknot or Slim.
not from them. From a different person. She's a girl.
Hastily?
No.
I don't know. What is it?
Elena's speech.
Who?
She's a that one that I told you to play her song. You thought that she was a dude because of her voice. The 115.
No, okay.
The one that I had told you to play that was 115 and you thought she was a guy because of the way she was singing.
No, I don't know shit.
Daughter's favorite school subject is, oh, you know this one.
History.
Daughter's favorite vacation is, or what?
None because we never gone on vacation.
Well,
Planning on going on Disney, but
yeah, well, yeah, that.
when she was 2, we went to the beach, and then we almost lost her.
Oh, yeah. I remember.
Okay.
Daughter wants to be how tall when she grows up.
How tall?
Yeah.
Taller than me, that's all I know. Right?
Yeah. Favorite tonic drink? Favorite tonic drink?
Coke Zero.
Slushy.
The cherry one?
The blue one. Blueberry.
See, I don't know shit about my own kids.
Favorite gift ever was?
Favorite gift ever for her?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say her favorite gift ever was I think her favorite gift. It's big.
And it was like a couple years ago.
Your house?
No.
Favorite gift ever and it's big.
It came in a huge box. Inside the house.
And then inside the house? Oh, it's not the house. They had China roll? Oh.
It didn't hatch, so I don't know.
Them motherfuckers didn't hatch. Excuse my language. My daughter don't know how to repeat, so don't come for me. I don't know.
The bike.
Oh, her bike!
The Monster High bike. It was huge.
Monster High bike, yeah.
That's why I said it wasn't inside the house.
Oh, I thought you were telling me right now it's not inside the house. I'm like, oh.
I was gonna say no, I can't use it now because I'm bigger.
Mm-hmm.
But I was like, oh, she's gonna probably know. I want you to know it now. Daughter's favorite birthday ever was. Oh, got it. My favorite birthday.
Your favorite birthday?
Yeah.
Her 10.
Yeah. Favorite thing to do with mom is
go everywhere with me.
Mm-hmm. And that's it. I know you more than you know me, Ma.
That's crazy. Again, Angelina, thank you so much for doing this with me. For those of you that don't know her, that are just on my channel, I'm gonna link her down below. Please go check her out. You won't regret it. She's awesome. She's a mujer. She's the best. And yeah, check her out. She's a girl. She just, I think Angelina probably knows more about me than I know about anything.
Hmm?
Angelina knows a lot about me.
Mm-hmm.
We know each other's personal deep life. And we know that stuff we confide in ourselves, we keep to ourselves. That's what friends do. You keep stuff to yourself. When you don't keep stuff to yourself, you're not a true friend.
Wait, what?
True friends, when they confide something in you about your personal life or about anything, they'll keep it to themselves. But if they go on and spread it around and tell other people about your personal life, that's not a friend.
Mm.
And the people that believe that person need to realize that, hey, this person's saying stuff, so, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, she's not like that. She's never done that to me. I've never done that to her. And then, I mean, we've had our differences. I'm not going to sit here and lie and say, oh, it's peachy perfect. Because every friendship's differences. But for some reason, we'll work it out. We'll work it out. We'll talk about it and we'll say, okay, we're not going to do this anymore. And we fix it. Because that's what friends do. We fix it. We've cried together. We've laughed together. We're always, what is it, FaceTiming?
Mm-hmm.
She's an awesome friend. Very thankful. No?
No, but it's and different.
Well, my son's standing there, just staring at us. Anyway, thank you so much, Angelina, for this. I really appreciate you. I'm getting full already. Diva says she's not that full yet, but she's probably going to eat off camera.
Mm-hmm.
Again, Chinese food, sushi. I think we should have eaten it all, but we talk too much, so we don't want to make this video too long either. Thank you so much for all my subscribers that are coming to me. Please go check out Angelina Spicy. You won't regret it. Awesome person, beautiful personality, smart, beautiful woman. Just go over there and tell her I sent you. If you like what you see, please share, comment, like, and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
This is
Diva.
Claudia. Till next time.